Okay, folks, here it is. Ford tractor parts. I'll go over all this with you. If I even know what the hell it all is. If I even know what it all is. Take it all out of the box. Okay, take it out of the box and put it all in the box. Alright, here's my Ford tractor parts. This is, looks like a rivet. Yay. Throttle, firewall, starter, switch, wire grommet. Little, if you can see that. Maybe I'll turn this down a little here more. See, little wire grommet. Picked up a 8N wiring harness. It's a wiring harness for tractor. These in the box. I'm not making a video for each one of these. This is, ooh, the new gas cap. Oh, it's a radiator cap. This is a replacement radiator cap. It's pretty cool, actually. Look at this. It's pretty neat. Look at that. Seems to be made pretty shitty, but the other one's made like solid metal. This one's like, whatever. What is this now? This. I gotta cut this open. What is this? Oh, there we go. This is, oh, it's a little glass cup for my oil filter, air filter. See, a little glass jar for your air filter. I have one of those old air filters. Hopefully this is the right glass jar. It's pretty cool. Let's step back in there without busting it. A hose clamp, because I wanted some original hose clamps. This is Baldwin Filters. What is this? This is an oil filter. Isn't it fancy? You've got the seal. Fancy schmancy, huh? Imagine that. The filter comes with a box. Holy shalitos. Okay, here. This comes with a little pulley thingy. So yeah, that's my Baldwin filter. In the fancy box. I also picked up a breather element, which I'm going to take out of the box and I want to see what it looks like. Come on. Jeez Louise. Okay. Brand new breather element. Quality parts. Made in Taiwan. Can't be that much quality. It's made in Taiwan. These are funnel to hood nuts. There's some funnel to hood nut screws. Try to get that in the camera so you can see it. This is goddamn glare. Nuts and bolts. I don't know what the hell they're for. These are tractor repair parts, gasket, Ford kit. Gasket kit. Ford gasket parts. If I remember correctly, these bolts are for the front cowl, the cover, brand new ones. So I wanted new ones. More bolts, which you probably can't see because the damn frickin' bag is so glary. These are fan shroud to radiator screws, which you still can't see. And the pièce de résistance is a Ford tractor manual. Parts catalog. Master parts catalog, because it's always good to have every catalog in the universe. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Engine parts. Sweet. This is pretty neat, actually. I bought this because it's, well, look, it's pretty much like, it doesn't show you how to take it apart, but it gives you a breakdown of everything. 42 brakes. This is pretty cool. Yeah, you know. I don't know if you can see this, but let me show you a picture. I'll find a cool picture. See? That's pretty cool. Master parts catalog. Shows you all the diagram where everything goes. Though I don't think I will be taking apart the speed, a 4-speed transmission, because this is like, that's way past my, what do you call it, pay grade at the moment. 50-52 engine, and 39 to 50 engine. Damn, that's cool. So yeah, this is my Ford tractor master parts catalog. And in case you're wondering where I ordered it, if you need any tractor parts, there's a place called just8ends.com. Check it out. Awesome selection of parts. And thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoy my channel. There's going to be a tractor being shredded apart and put back together and grinded and welded and all kinds of stuff. So I will be doing body work. So if anybody from, was it Fitzy's Fabrications sees this, I'm going to be using your channel to learn how to do body work. And I'll also be using Arco's information and all these other people play with sheet metal, because I'm not a sheet metal guy, but I'm learning. Thanks for watching. Check all the folks below. Subscribe. Click the like button. Leave a comment. The hell with the bell. I don't like the bell. It's annoying. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.